Okay. Fiat Allis 10C. I'll build a root rake to go on the front of it that goes with it. The muffler, I like to broke it off one time, so it's got a piece I put on it. Needs a weld on it. But here's the track. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell anything about it or not, but you see all the fresh mud still on it. There's the sprockets. I don't know where you're gonna be able to see anything about the undercarriage. Driver right side. It's the chain I used to pull the backhoe out with. Matter of fact, that field about a month ago, I just cleared it up and it looked like the pine trees back yonder. Okay, got a 4-way blade. Maybe you'll be able to tell something about these pictures. And then the undercarriage. Okay. Let's get it on. Gauges. Button, crank it. Gauge don't work, but the pressure gauge does. Oil pressure at an idle is 70 pounds. Temperature, notice it's still cold. All the way down to cut her off. I can drop the blade and spin the tracks all the way down to the bottom. So she does pretty good. But that's what she is. I figure a video might do you a little better than pictures. And that root rake, I've got it over there. It's a nice one. There's my backhoe I was telling you about, and you see where I got it stuck and had to pull it out. But that's it.